Good morning, guys. So this is day 2 from Mahabaleshwar. We are in Evershine Resorts. This property was earlier called Keys, and what a wonderful, peaceful and lovely place this is. This is a place that I definitely recommend. So we had a very good night's sleep. I was so tired. I had to edit a video last night and I wanted to transfer some data, but I was just too tired because I had woken up really early yesterday. Morning started off good. Kunal went for his morning walk. I have woken up at 7:30, sitting here in this balcony, enjoying the view, just taking in the fresh air and actually feeling like freedom. So now just going to get ready and then go down for breakfast. Their breakfast is something that I personally enjoy. Their spread is huge and it's yummy. So I'm still going to sit here for some time and then go down for breakfast. Kunal is going to come up in a bit and mom's taking a shower, and इसके बाद हम जाएंगे breakfast के लिए. So finally gotten ready, taken a shower and heading for the breakfast. Super hungry. We'll meet you at breakfast.
हाय गाइस, एज यू कैन सी कि आज व्लॉग की शुरुआत मैंने की है. मतलब व्लॉग की नहीं, जस्ट बीच में से कहीं से उठा लिया. वो इसलिए क्योंकि जो आपका कैमरा है उसका जो मेमोरी कार्ड है दैट इज़ फुल. सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू बाय अ न्यू मेमोरी कार्ड. तो जब तक नया मेमोरी कार्ड नहीं आता तब तक वी विल यूज़ माई फोन.
So I'm at his mercy because I don't even know how to operate his phone. So anyways, currently we are outside the lobby of this property, and if you can hear this sound, I don't know if it is the crickets or it is the bees or it is a combination of both.
इसको हिंदी में टिड्डियाँ बोलते हैं.
हाँ, but I don't think it is that. I think it is bees, butterflies and crickets together. So मैंने सुबह में सोचा था एक get ready with me makeup shoot कर लेती हूँ, but इतनी ज़्यादा sound हो रही थी balcony में that I just couldn't. So we thought कि अभी it's almost lunch time, it's very close to 1 o'clock and we are so full with the breakfast. तो हम सोच रहे हैं instead of going for the usual spots, the Parsi Point, the other points, the horse riding, boating, वो सब तो हमने कर ली है. So we are thinking that हम उसके बजाय we should go to the fort.
So there is a fort called Pratapgarh Fort, जो यहाँ से महाबलेश्वर से कुछ I think 22 kilometers है. So we are going there, so we will take you along with us. चलिए.
उससे पहले we are going to the market.
हाँ, अरे हाँ, पहले कार्ड लेना है और फिर we'll go for the.
So guys, हमने कैमरे के लिए मेमोरी कार्ड ले ली and now we are on the way to Pratapgarh Fort. I have to admit that the route to go there is really so peaceful, so calm. I think इस vlog में आप लोगों को 2 words बहुत सुनने मिलेंगे, peaceful and calm, and maybe because I've come out after a really long time. So now we are on the way to Pratapgarh. As I mentioned before, it's a little bit of a ghat. तो we are going downwards और कान भी थोड़े बंद से हो रहे हैं, but not complaining, enjoying. Weather is not very cold. थोड़ी धूप है, धूप छाँव, but the breeze, जो हवा लग रही है बॉडी को, जो हवा छू रही है बॉडी को, it's so calming, so cool. can you see even the skies, the clouds feel different. We've just stopped on the way just for a few seconds to click some pictures. It's a deep valley down there, and Kunal, I think you should really come out for 2 seconds and really see this.
It's really beautiful.
I know, but you should come out.
Yeah, this. Okay.
So that is where we have to go. Already हम बहुत नीचे से बहुत ऊपर आ गए. Quite a topsy-turvy route, but really nice. Hi guys. So we finally climbed a flight of stairs. और अब पता चलता है कि fitness level कितना zero है. And if I need to see these beautiful places in and around our country, I need to work on my health. But welcome to the Pratapgarh Fort. It is right there. It's quite a long walk. So guys, we finally reached on top. As you can see, there is a stairway. We've got to climb that. So apparently this fort is divided into some points. So there is one part which is right here, right behind Kunal, and then uske baad there are some points which are right there, and some places to see right there, and there is some point over there as well. Looking at my fitness level, mujhe nahi lagta I'll be able to climb that side. Maybe we'll just cover up this and see it. I can see there are already a lot of people come to have a look at this place. So Kunal, what's your thoughts?
It's a beautiful place, yeah.
And what are your thoughts about my fitness level?
Start working out.
I have to do that. Like I was saying, there are so many beautiful places in and around our country and even around the world. और अगर ये सारी चीज़ें explore करना है, देखना है, I need to get healthy and work on my fitness level. अब चलते हैं ऊपर.
पता क्या वहाँ पे? वो जैसे ये है ना, ये बंदूकों के होल्स. जब फाइट होती थी तो यहाँ से बंदूकें निकाल के फायर किया जाता था. ये जो छेद दिख रहे हैं, होल दिख रहे हैं आपको दीवार में पूरे, तो वहाँ पे वो अंडरग्राउंड होल किए हुए पूरे. उसके नीचे पूरे अंडरग्राउंड होल हैं, तो जहाँ पे वो अपनी गन्स रख के शूट करते थे.
This is beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Just look at the view.
What do you have to say about this now?
I'm just out of words, really. I actually thought I was never a mountain person. I hated hills. I never liked the monsoons. I still don't like. But this has really changed my mindset this time. I really, I'm feeling a sense of freedom. I'm just feeling very calm down. It was much needed. So, feeling good. So guys, did you see that patch? कुछ जगह धूप है, कुछ जगह छाव है. It's so beautiful. We can see our car also parked down, and there are so many spots still to see. Right there. But I'm getting a little paranoid because I can see people, and I can see quite a few of them without a mask. So I have started to get hyper and also feeling tired. Hi guys. So we are back from the Pratapgarh Fort, and जैसे आप देख सकते हो, Kunal is tired but not so tired, but I am super tired, obviously, because my fitness levels are zero. We just went to 2 spots and उसके बाद मेरी हिम्मत ही नहीं हुई. धूप भी बहुत तेज थी, इरिटेट करने वाली धूप नहीं थी, but I just couldn't go on anymore. और हम निकल पड़े हैं वहाँ से. Now everything about this place is really good, but I really wish that the authorities would have put some kind of a board where people were asked to be masked up at all times. Maximum of the people who were there were without a mask, and that is something which just made me uncomfortable, and also one of the bigger reasons that I really wanted to get out from there really fast. अब हम गाड़ी में बैठ चुके हैं and we are on our way back to the hotel, and this is a drive that I'm going to thoroughly enjoy. It's got so many ghats, steep turns, and I just don't have the words to explain, but it's beyond beautiful. तो ठंडी हवा खाते खाते हम जा रहे हैं back to the hotel, and then I'll give you an update once we reach the hotel room.